Hi everyone, welcome to SN43 official YouTube channel, where we explore the world of illustration and creativity. Today, we're diving into the world of Genshin Impact to bring the powerful and enigmatic Raiden Shogun to life through digital illustration. From a simple sketch to a stunning digital illustration, the process of bringing Raiden Shogun to life has been both challenging and rewarding. As we begin the illustration process, we start with a rough sketch, capturing Raiden Shogun's regal presence and intricate design. With each stroke of the digital pen, we carefully add details to her attire, from the flowing robes to the intricate patterns that adorn them. The colors we choose reflect her divine nature, with golds and purples symbolizing her status as an Electro Archon. And finally, after hours of meticulous work, our illustration of Raiden Shogun is complete. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. And don't forget to drop in comment section your favorite character for me to draw next. Until next time, keep imagining, creating, and having fun.